Let us learn phrases that can be used while meeting someone. Starting a conversation with someone you have just met can be difficult. I have tried to make it very simple by providing you some useful phrases. Here is the first thing you can say when you meet someone. The someone can be your friend, well-wisher, your farmer colleague, your relative, or a known person. Hello, how are you? Hi, it's nice to meet you. How's your day going? When you are supposed to meet the person again, then use these startup phrases. It's lovely to see you again. It was great to see you again. Long time no see. How have you been? Once people respond, you can ask a follow-up question. A follow-up question is a good way to find out more information about the person. This can even build good friendship between you and the person. You can ask about where someone is from or what they do for work. You can ask them about the weather or their experience taking public transport. Here are some questions you can ask. What do you do? What do you do is really common to ask someone what they do for work when you first meet them. Where are you from? How do you find the weather? Do you find that it's very cold? Did you have any trouble getting here? How was your journey? Asking what, where, why, and how questions are particularly useful when you want to keep a live conversation going. These questions encourage others to keep talking and allow them to share more information about themselves. Limit asking yes, no questions to minimal. Finding out about where a person is from or what he or she does can provide you with some background information about him or her that will help you to ask more questions. For instance, if a person tells you about what he does for work, you can say, "What is your role in the company? What exactly do you do? How did you get into that?" This is another follow-up question. Here, you are asking the person how or why they began this particular career path. What does your company do? What kind of company do you work for? Where is your company based? This is to know where their company is located at. Do you enjoy your job? How long have you been doing it for? How do you manage work and study? It must be hard. What do you love most about your job? Asking about someone's job is very common, especially with your friends or to your classmates. It's usually totally fine to ask about this because people work hard and create their identity based on their careers in many cases. Or if a person is talking about something that are interested in, you can say, "How did you grow your interest in that activity? What made you start? Do you have a favorite hobby? Tell me more. That's a really nice bag. Where did you get it from?" When you are about to end your conversation or about to leave the spot, then bid a goodbye by saying, "It was a pleasure to meet you." Remember to be confident with the language and don't be afraid or feel hesitant to make mistakes when you converse with people. After all, practice makes perfection. Once you start talking, you will be able to make new friends. Have fun. Hope you learned some important phrases to begin and to build a conversation. See you back in the next video. Until then, extend your valuable support by subscribing the channel. Also follow on Instagram. Thank you. Have a good day.